Welcome to a new chapter in your life. This is a time to celebrate and embrace the opportunities that come with age. As women over 50, we deserve to feel our best, both physically and mentally. It's a time to prioritize ourselves and our well-being. Our bodies have changed, and so have our needs. Nutritional requirements evolve, and it's essential to adapt to these changes. It's time to embrace a lifestyle that supports our health and well-being. Activities like yoga, walking, and other forms of exercise can make a significant difference. Many women experience weight gain, low energy, and increased health risks after 50. But there's good news. These challenges can be managed with the right approach. A plant-based diet can be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. Incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can transform your health. Imagine feeling lighter, having more energy, and reducing your risk of chronic diseases. A plant-based diet can help you achieve these goals. This is the power of plants. They provide essential nutrients that support overall health and vitality. In this essay, we'll explore the incredible benefits of a plant-based diet for women over 50. You'll learn how to make simple yet impactful changes. Get ready to discover a path to better health and lasting well-being. Embrace this journey and unlock the vibrant life you deserve. Plants are nature's gift to our health. They offer a bounty of benefits that are essential for our well-being. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. These nutrients help us maintain energy, support our immune system, and keep our skin glowing.
By choosing a plant-based diet, we nourish ourselves from the inside out. This way of eating is not only beneficial for our health, but also for the environment. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains provide fiber, which aids digestion and helps us feel fuller for longer. Fiber also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut. They're naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol, promoting heart health. Including these foods in our diet can help reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular function. Antioxidants found abundantly in plant foods protect our cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. These powerful compounds can help fight inflammation and support healthy aging.
Eating a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures we get a variety of these powerful nutrients. Each color represents different phytonutrients that contribute to our overall health. When we fuel our bodies with plants, we give ourselves the best chance for a long and healthy life. Embracing a plant-based lifestyle can lead to increased vitality, better mental clarity, and a stronger body. Struggling with weight loss after 50? You're not alone. Hormonal changes can make it challenging to shed those extra pounds.
But a plant-based diet can be your secret weapon. Plant foods are naturally lower in calories and fat, making it easier to manage weight. Fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and legumes keep us feeling satisfied, reducing cravings and overeating. By choosing plant-based meals, we naturally consume fewer processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, all of which contribute to weight gain.
Remember, sustainable weight loss is a journey, not a race. A plant-based diet provides a healthy and enjoyable way to achieve your goals. As we age, our risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers increases.
The good news is that a plant-based diet can be our strongest ally in prevention. Studies show that plant-based diets can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes.
The Antioxidants and fiber in plant foods protect against cell damage and inflammation, key factors in the development of many chronic diseases. By making plant-based choices, we empower ourselves to take control of our health and reduce our risk of these serious conditions. You might be wondering, can I get all the nutrients I need on a plant-based diet? The answer is a resounding yes. With a little planning and knowledge, it's easy to meet your nutritional needs. A well-balanced plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients your body requires.
Let's dive into some specifics. For protein, excellent plant-based sources include beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts. It's good to combine these foods throughout the day to ensure adequate intake. For example, you can have a lentil soup for lunch and a tofu stir-fry for dinner. This variety not only meets your protein needs, but also keeps your meals interesting and flavorful.
Moving on to calcium, leafy green vegetables like kale and spinach, fortified plant milks, and tofu are fantastic sources of calcium, which is essential for strong bones. You can add kale and spinach to your smoothies or salads and use fortified plant milks in your cereals or coffee. These small changes can make a big difference in your calcium intake.
As for iron, it's absorbed best when consumed with vitamin C. So, pair iron-rich foods like beans, lentils, and spinach with citrus fruits or bell peppers to maximize absorption. For instance, you can make a spinach salad with orange slices or cook beans with bell peppers. This combination not only boosts iron absorption, but also adds a burst of flavor to your meals.
And don't forget about vitamin B12. Since it is not found in plant foods, supplementation is crucial for those following a plant-based diet. You can find vitamin B12 supplements in various forms such as tablets, capsules, or even fortified foods like plant-based milks and cereals. Regular intake of vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining healthy nerve cells and producing DNA.
By including a variety of nutrient-rich plant foods in our diets, we can indeed thrive on a plant-based lifestyle. Remember to diversify your meals with colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. This not only ensures you get a wide range of nutrients, but also makes your meals more enjoyable and satisfying. Embrace the journey and discover the endless possibilities of plant-based eating.
Transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some simple meal planning tips to get you started.
Focus on whole foods. Choose whole, unprocessed plant foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds.
Embrace variety. Experiment with different fruits, vegetables, and plant-based protein sources to ensure a wide range of nutrients.
Plan ahead. Prepare meals and snacks in advance to avoid unhealthy choices when short on time.
Make it delicious. Explore plant-based recipes and experiment with herbs, spices, and healthy cooking methods to create flavorful meals. Remember, small changes add up. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your week and gradually increase them over time. A holistic approach to health involves more than just diet. Incorporating regular exercise and stress management techniques is essential for overall well-being.
Exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Find activities you enjoy, such as walking, swimming, dancing, or yoga.
Stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact our health. Practice stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or spending time in nature.
Sleep. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Adequate sleep supports hormone balance, energy levels, and overall health. By taking care of our physical and mental well-being, we enhance the benefits of our plant-based lifestyle.
Countless women over 50 have experienced remarkable transformations on a plant-based diet. Their stories are a testament to the power of plants.
One woman reversed her type 2 diabetes after switching to a plant-based diet. She lost weight, improved her blood sugar control, and no longer needs medication.
Another woman found relief from chronic joint pain after embracing a plant-based lifestyle. She feels more energetic and enjoys an improved quality of life. These stories highlight the transformative potential of a plant-based diet for women over 50. Embarking on a plant-based journey is an act of self-love. It's about nourishing your body, mind, and spirit with the goodness of nature. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. Embrace the power of plants and unlock a future filled with vitality, energy, and well-being. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts now. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration on your plant-based